grave accusations have been brought against me by enemies. I'm not the kind of man to bear a stain. Matters grave. The fact that I'm being called disloyal to the state, to my fellow men and to my friends.
So you dare come back? How brazen of you to come to my house in Silver. Do you think that I do not know that you plotted to kill me? You plotted to steal my throne? You are a fool, Prius. Are you not? Hoping to get a throne? Thrones may be brought with water. You could do neither.
Now you listen. You cannot judge me unless you know the truth.
You speak well. There's one fact, but I find it hard to learn from the deadliest enemy I have.
If you think there's anything good at being stubborn against all reasons, then I say you are.
If you think that man can sin against his own kind and not be punishment, I say you're mad. You were the one who advised me to send for that wizard, did you not?
Yes, I did, and I should do it again.
Very well. Now tell me, how long has Belial vanished in their own side by the road?
It was a long time ago.
And this prophet Tiresias, was he practicing here then?
Yes, he was. And honor us now.
Did he mention me?
Yes, he did, but no. I mean, he never did, not when I was present.
If we were not informed of you, then he could not say that it was I who killed Niles.
You're the only one who can say that. Now it's my turn to question you.
Save your questions. I am no murderer.
Think of this first. If I were king, I should be slave to the policy. How can I desire scepter more than now what is mine? Untroubled influence? No, I have not gone mad. If I were found guilty of treason to Tiresians, then sentence me to death.
This is well said. Judgments do form my thinkers.
It is 3 years death that I want. So that is time. Run me see what treason means.
So you persisted, then you're a fool!
You are the devil incarnate.
My lords, be still. I see quick passage coming from the palace chambers. These dreadful qualities spoke to her.